Today, a family-friendly kitchen science guide explores a safe fizzy volcano using baking soda and vinegar to spark curiosity. Materials are simple and safe for kids: baking soda, white vinegar, a small dish soap, food coloring, and a tray. Step by step, sprinkle baking soda into the dish, then add soap and color before pouring vinegar to erupt. The science is an acid-base reaction that releases carbon dioxide bubbles, making foam rise like lava. Safety rules include wearing aprons, tying back hair, supervising and cleaning up after, turning every splash into a learning moment.